and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what's in the box for the IC800037 wet bulb globe temperature meter with SD card. This meter reads relative humidity, air temperature, dew point, wet bulb globe temperature and black globe temperature. All this data is recorded while also capturing time and date and recording it onto an SD card. All captured data recorded on the SD card is pre-formatted for Excel. So plug in the SD card and graph, track and store your recorded data. No need for extra cables or software. In the box there's 6 AA batteries, a 2GB SD card, an instruction manual, sturdy carry case with an adjustable strap, and the heat stress meter. The meter features a black globe temperature sensor, a humidity and air temperature sensor, a large backlit LCD screen, a user-friendly keypad with buttons which are power, hold, record/enter, set and logger. On the side under a cover there is a DC 9V adapter input socket, reset button and the RS232 output. On the base is the SD card socket, and the back has 2 screws to open the battery compartment, tripod mounting screw and a stand. To get started, you will need the 6 included AA batteries and a small screwdriver. Unscrew the 2 rear battery compartment screws and pull to open the cover. Insert the batteries, observing the polarity. Then close the cover. Screw it back into place. Press power to turn on. And that's what's in the box for the IC800037 wet bulb globe temperature SD card data logger meter. Want to see some more features or how to measure wet bulb globe temperature using this meter? See the video links in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.